The power of your 20s. Setting the stage for financial freedom. Your 20s are a time of exploration and growth, a period where you are constantly learning and evolving. You're figuring out who you are and what you want in life, setting personal and professional goals that will guide your future. This is also a crucial time to lay the foundation for your financial future. Establishing good habits now can lead to long-term success. The decisions you make now will have a ripple effect for decades to come, influencing your financial stability and opportunities. Think of it like this. Time is your greatest asset. The earlier you start, the more you can benefit from compound growth. When you're young, you have more time to recover from financial mistakes, giving you the freedom to take calculated risks. You also have more time to let your money grow, allowing your investments to mature and multiply over the years. By making smart choices early on, you can set yourself up for a lifetime of financial security and freedom, enjoying the fruits of your labor. Don't wait to start thinking about your finances. Procrastination can be costly in the long run. The sooner you begin, the better off you'll be. Time is on your side, so take advantage of it. Start by creating a budget and sticking to it. This will help you manage your money effectively and avoid unnecessary debt. Learn about investing and start small. Every little bit counts, and over time, these small investments can grow significantly. Remember, the power to shape your financial future is in your hands. Take control now and pave the way for a prosperous tomorrow. Assets versus liabilities. Understanding the difference. Understanding the difference between assets and liabilities is crucial for financial success. It's the foundation of building wealth and achieving financial stability. In simple terms, an asset puts money in your pocket, while a liability takes money out. An asset is something you own that has value and can contribute to your net worth. It could appreciate in value over time, or it could generate income through various means. Think of a house that appreciates or stocks that pay dividends regularly. Other examples include a rental property, a business, or even your skills and education, which can increase your earning potential. On the other hand, a liability is something you owe money on, such as debts or loans. It costs you money to own and maintain, often draining your resources. A car loan, student loan, or credit card debt are all liabilities that can burden your finances. These typically come with interest payments, adding to your expenses and reducing your financial freedom. Building your empire. The advantages of owning assets. Owning assets is the key to building wealth and achieving financial security. By investing in various assets, you can diversify your portfolio and reduce financial risks. Assets have the potential to generate income, appreciate in value, and provide financial stability. They can serve as a reliable source of income during economic downturns. When you own assets, you create a stream of passive income. This income can come from various sources such as rental properties, dividends from stocks, or interest from bonds. This means you earn money without actively working for it. Passive income allows you to focus on other pursuits, whether it's spending time with family, traveling, or pursuing hobbies. Imagine receiving rental income from a property or dividends from stocks. These income streams can significantly enhance your financial situation. This passive income can help you cover your expenses, save more money, and reach your financial goals faster. It provides a cushion that can protect you during unexpected financial challenges. Moreover, assets tend to appreciate over time. This appreciation can be a powerful tool for building long-term wealth. This means their value increases, making you wealthier. The growth in asset value can significantly boost your overall financial health. For instance, real estate often appreciates, and well-chosen stocks can grow in value. These investments can provide substantial returns over the years. This appreciation builds your net worth and provides financial security. Owning a diverse range of assets can ensure a stable and prosperous financial future. Section 4. Trapped by debt. The downsides of owning liabilities. While assets build wealth, liabilities can drain your finances and keep you trapped in a cycle of debt. They can limit your financial freedom and prevent you from achieving your goals. Liabilities come with interest payments that eat into your income. Imagine paying hundreds of dollars each month on car loans, credit card debt, or student loans. This debt burden can make it challenging to save money, invest, or afford the things you truly value. Furthermore, being burdened with debt can lead to financial stress and anxiety. It can also impact your credit score, making it harder to qualify for loans, rent an apartment, or even secure certain jobs. Section 5, Smart Choices, Bright Future, Tips for Prioritizing Assets. So how do you break free from the liability trap and start building a solid asset base? It's all about making smart financial choices today that will pay off in the long run. Start by creating a budget and tracking your expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back and free up more cash flow to invest in assets. Consider starting with a small amount of money and gradually increase your investments over time. Look for ways to increase your income. This could involve pursuing a higher-paying job, starting a side hustle, or finding creative ways to monetize your skills.